Hi, this is the Bridges Unit 304, which is a studio floor plan. So as you can see when we walk into our kitchen and living room area, which is really quite spacious. In our kitchen, you'll have a full appliance package with your dishwasher, microwave, oven, refrigerator with your ice maker. You have a garbage disposal and a spray head nozzle for your faucet. And you have your own heating AC unit behind that panel. Then you have a very nice deck. And as you can see, a new building is going up just across the way from us. It's going to be office and retail space and is to be complete by the end of the year. The previous tenant left a blackout curtain to separate the bedroom area from your living space. So that's kind of a great idea to close off the bedroom area, which is actually quite large. So your bedroom has an opening for your closet here. And then as we turn around, you can see this is actually big enough for a king-size bed in here if you'd like. You have additional windows here that will open, and then a barn door for your sliding to close off the bathroom area. So off of the bedroom, you have your bathroom with lots of cabinetry. And as we walk around, it has a stand-up shower, as you can see, and then your own washer and dryer stacked right in unit. So this is available for rent now. I hope you can join us soon.